Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the most disruptive and transformative forces in the modern world. It has the potential to solve some of the most complex and pressing problems organizations face, such as information overload, data analysis, content creation, or knowledge gaps, and how they affect business goals and performance. However, it also poses some challenges and risks that need to be addressed and managed. For example, the proliferation of AI technologies and solutions entering the market can create confusion and uncertainty for decision-makers and users in the workplace. Let's examine Microsoft's two groundbreaking AI-driven features and how to experiment with these technologies safely and responsibly. Introducing Bing Chat, Enterprise and Microsoft 365 Copilot. Both tools are designed to transform how organizations function and manage intricate data, offering a new level of productivity and efficiency in the modern workplace. Both use a large language model, or LLM, to provide natural language interaction and code generation, but let's take a closer look at how these two independent game-changing tools can work together to elevate businesses in the digital realm. Microsoft has positioned Bing Chat Enterprise to be your AI-powered workplace ally. AI tools have become a necessity in today's business landscape. According to Microsoft's Work Trend Index, a staggering 70% of employees admit they would delegate as much work as possible to AI if given the opportunity. This growing need for AI-powered tools has paved the way for the development of Bing Chat Enterprise. Bing Chat Enterprise is a service that lets you chat with an AI agent that can answer your questions, generate content, or help you with tasks using public online data. Think of it as a smart and friendly chatbot that can talk to you about anything you want. The unique selling proposition of Bing Chat Enterprise lies in its unwavering commitment to data protection. Unlike free AI chat tools, Bing Chat Enterprise ensures that user and business data remain shielded from potential leaks, with all interactions strictly confined within the organization. The platform does not retain chat data. Even Microsoft cannot access it, reinforcing the commitment to maintaining privacy. Bing Chat Enterprise is grounded in web data and provides complete, verifiable answers with citations. It can also produce visuals, including graphs, charts, and images, and deliver efficient processes and novel ways to spark creativity, all within a secure environment. Whether organizations seek industry insights, data analysis, or creative inspiration, Bing Chat Enterprise provides a comprehensive solution that aligns with privacy and security requirements. Microsoft 365 Copilot can empower employees with a new 21st century way of working, taking the mundane tasks in hand. Microsoft 365 Copilot is a service that provides AI-powered productivity capabilities for Microsoft 365 customers. You can think of this tool as a personal assistant that can help you with your work by coordinating LLMs with your content in Microsoft Graph and the Microsoft 365 apps you use daily, such as Outlook, Word, Excel, Teams, and PowerPoint.
Ever wondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize your everyday tasks at work? Well, the future is here, and it's reshaping the landscape of the digital workplace. Cast your minds back to the days of Clippy, Microsoft's early attempt at a virtual assistant. Clippy was a friendly, if somewhat limited, office helper. It could assist with basic tasks and provide simple tips, but it lacked the sophistication and versatility of today's AI tools. Now let's fast forward to the present day. Enter Microsoft 365 Copilot, a next-level AI assistant that resides right in the toolbar of your Microsoft 365 apps. Copilot is more than just a digital helper. It's a game-changer. Unlike Clippy, Copilot doesn't just provide tips or help with basic tasks. It goes several steps further. With Copilot, you can draft documents, generate reports, create presentations, and even triage emails. It's not just about performing tasks, it's about enhancing your skills and helping you master new ones. Copilot is designed to streamline your workflows and boost your productivity. It breaks down the barriers that often accompany challenging workloads, making your job easier and more efficient. But it's not just about productivity, it's also about security and ethical AI deployment. Microsoft 365 Copilot is designed with these principles in mind. It keeps your data safe while providing a user-friendly interface that enables natural language prompts and simplifies complex tasks. Now let's turn our attention to Bing Chat Enterprise. This AI tool allows you to chat with AI agents that can write content, answer questions, and simplify tasks using data from the web or your Microsoft 365 apps. It's a secure environment for communication and collaboration, ensuring your sensitive business data remains protected. As we continue to navigate the digital age, embracing AI-driven tools like Microsoft 365 Copilot and Bing Chat Enterprise becomes increasingly important. They are at the forefront of the transformation of the modern workplace, empowering us to reach new levels of productivity and efficiency. So why not explore the potential of AI in your own workplace? Discover how these tools can help you make swift, data-driven decisions, automate complex tasks, streamline processes, and free up valuable employee time for strategic initiatives. The future of work is here. Are you ready to unlock the limitless potential of AI?